Are you making faceless AI videos because you watched some of these tutorials? All of them say rhythm is key, but they're missing the actual way to get the rhythm and precision of your videos to a professional level. You pass your audio to Turboscribe and get the transcription, which you input into Cloud to get the prompts, right? The problem is, Turboscribe cuts or joins sentences where it shouldn't, so you end up with a weird video or have to manually adjust everything at the end anyway. That's because Turboscribe is just transcribing, not directing. Here's what you need to do to get it perfect once and for all. Instead of copying the transcription, download the SRT. Load the SRT into Filmora and add it to your timeline. Double-click on it to open this panel, and first delete this line here. Now use the merge or split buttons to fix all the weird cuts and joins. It should take about 2 minutes tops. This won't be the SRT file you use for your video subtitles, so don't worry. Just make sure the phrases are exactly how you want them. Think 1 image per phrase. Once you're done, right-click the subtitle clip, select Export Subtitle File, then Export Subtitle File. Now load that SRT file in Script Cleaner. I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Script Cleaner will clean the file and leave it ready to continue the process with Claude. And you'll get the prompts with the perfect timestamps for your video. Hope you find this useful and helps your videos stand out from the rest. Leave a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more content to level up your videos, and if you want to stop manually syncing all the images in your faceless videos, check out this tutorial. You'll learn how to turn that boring task into just 3 clicks. See you there!